Very good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. How are you, all of you? Yes, I hope you are good. Today we are going to learn here appreciating the poem. Last period we have learned the poem Don't Give Up. We have learned the question answer. Now let us see the appreciating the poem. In this poem we are going to learn here rhyme scheme revision. When I have taught the poem, that time I said I taught you, I introduce you the rhymes. Once again let us see. Now I am going to read the poem and I have written here. See, in the first period I have put here rhyming letter. See, one, the last word is here, one. So I given here A. In the next line, crying. So I put here B. I gave the name this word, okay, B. Done. So I have given here A because the one and done it is the same pronunciation came. So I put them A. Okay, same pronunciation. That's why I put here O. Next, trying. Here, crying and trying both are same pronunciation as there. So I put here B. The rhyming words will come here A, B, A, B. This is the rhyming scheme here in this first stanza. Let us see in the next. Though young birds in flying fail, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. So we have to look the last spelling fell. So I am giving a stronger. So the pronunciation is different. So I gave her B. Keep. So I gave here C. Next is longer. Same pronunciation has come in the second line, stronger, longer. So I put here B. So rhyming scheme will be there here A, B, C, B. Okay. In this stanza, the rhyming scheme will be A, B, C, B. Next. Though the sturdy tree has known many a wind that bore her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. The last word is known, so I put here A. I gave the name this group, this word A. Next is her, so I put here B number. Next is grown. So known, grown, both are the same pronunciation. So I have written here, I am writing here A. Prouder, her, the both letters, last word is same pronunciation. So I am writing B. What will be rhyme scheme here? A, B, A, B. Okay. Last stanza. If by easy work you beat, so I give the number A. Who the more will prize you? You. So I put here B. Defeat. So beat, defeat, same pronunciation came. So I write here A. Last is the U. So again I put here B. The rhyming skill will be A, B, A, B. I hope you have understood this rhyming scheme. Let us we have to do here. Give the rhyming scheme. Mary had a little lamb. So lamb, I have given the A, this spelling. Its fleece was white as snow, and wherever that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. The snow, last word is of the second line is snow, so I am giving here B number. Went, here given C. Next is go. So snow go, same pronunciation came, so I am writing a B. Lamb, went, both are different. The rhyming skill will be A, B, C, B. Okay, next. Upon a nice mid-spring day, let us take a look at nature's way. Breathe the scent of nice fresh air. Feel the breezy within your hair. Let us see the rhyming scheme here. Day, way, both same pronunciation came, so I have given here A. Both are same pronunciation of this word, so I put here A. Ear, hair, B. Both the words same pronunciation, that's why I put here B. The rhyming scheme will be A, B. I hope you understood this rhyming scheme. Keep it in your mind and complete this exercise. Next, vocabulary. We are going to learn here word related to success. Means one word has many more meanings. See the first. Success is the word here given in the central of this wave diagram. There are here given the 6 meanings we have to find. Success. They have given the blank words. We have to complete this spelling. Success means victory. VICOCTORY. Victory. Next is triumph. TRUMPH. Success means triumph. Next it is here. Next conquest. CONQUEST. Conquest means success. Next is accomplishment. 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 Sorry, I have to write here yes in place of accomplishment. SHMENT, because already N has given here. Next is achievement. ACHIEVEM. EV. Once again achievement here. We should have to write here EMENT. Achievement means success. Last is laurels. LAURELS.